always do like collections. Oh my.
Wait, you want me to die?
I said we wouldn't actually want you to die. They got like 12th, right? 9th? Oh my god, I'm literally dying right now. I don't know why I'm burping so much.
The dugout goes?
Yeah.
Why?
That's so bad.
I don't know.
That's my main content, a dugout challenge.
Ew, I actually just burped chili cheese.
My pet sounds lost.
Burger King got the best burger. McDonald's got the best fries.
Who about the McDonald's has better fries than Popeyes?
With the maids.
I do like Adapt and what's his name? Mike? No, it's Mike.
Yes, it's cool.
Oh my goodness, excuse me.
You're fine. I love it. No, costume art. Yeah. Okay, Rihanna.
Already. Excuse me. I'm burping. Okay. 30 minutes. My god. Sorry guys, excuse me, I just burped.
I said it's around 2.5.
What did you say?
Ew!
Thanks, guys, for the sub. How about you? Are you good? Here, if you want to choose one. I don't know what's
I don't know, I want to burp in your face.
Oh, sorry. You can
No, I'm sorry, because I don't want to burp.